Step-by-step guide on how you can use your employee discount on the McDonald's app. First, you will need to download the app itself, make sure it's installed from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. And the second step is logging into our account. So you want to sign into your account on the app. If you don't have one, you will make one. Then you have to link your employee account if that's needed. Some locations require you to link your employee info like employee ID. You want to ask your manager how to do it if you're unsure. Then you will select your items. You want to browse the menu and add what you want to your cart. Then the fifth step is applying the employee discount. The discount might apply automatically or you may need to enter a code. Again, you can check with your store if you're unsure. The checkout process, you want to review your order to make sure the discount is applied and proceed to payment. Then the last step is picking up your order. You want to choose pickup, drive-through or curbside depending on what's available, and then just grab your meal. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.